Good things come.
How a successful entrepreneur spends his day.
That's what they say.
Hello.
Can you ensure large shipments within 7 days?
Now it is the time to show you guys the China speed. The members of the sales department working together, moving forward. Be passionate and persistent. The sales department cannot develop without their dedication. The clean workshop is strictly administered. The boss also needs to change cloth before entering. Sophisticated equipment is ITGen's right-hand man. Sniffing out the next big breakthrough, this is where the magic happens. Well done, good humans! And we are dedicated to continually improving and refining our technology practices. Phew, my paws are starting to drag and my tongue's out. But oh, the adventure is not over. There's loads more to sniff out. Keep your eyes peeled, friends. Whoop! The product is finally finished. We have one last step to take. Come with me. Let's charge together. In our quality control department, different batches of different products are manually verified every day and samples are retained. Our aim is 100% compliance for all factory shipments. Carefully built, quality guaranteed. Efficient logistics to arrive at the destination promptly. Sniff out our bestsellers. Fast, precise health tests for my furry friends worldwide. It is tiring to be a successful boss.
Hi, all that. Can the goods be shipped in time?
Boss, we've got a shipment arriving.